Singh, and I'm here to myself is Govinda Singh. These are my audience. Yes, to them. And my topic today regarding the informative speech is smoking habits. Um, what is a habit? When we used to do the same thing again and again, it makes us habits. First of all, let's see how the smoking comes out. So I go to the history. By the history of smoking with its role when the Mayan civilian starts to smoke and chew to tobacco plant, and they dispersed all over the American and bring this plant to people, especially smoke, are fully exposed about the hazards of smoking towards their health. Lung cancer is one of the major disease from this smoking, and as the fact shows, 3.95% people from Malaysia they got cancer from the cigarettes. So what the cigarette in actual has it? This is the cigarette, and these are some contents in it. Um, First of all, facts about smoking. It is surprised that over 400,000 chemical contains in each cigarettes, and our body gets affected because of presence of these chemicals. And some of them chemicals are really harmful. Most of them are harmful, but some of them are very harmful. Uh, um, out of them are first is nicotine. Nicotine is that we use in a cigarette, and it's also used in a bug spray. And then ammonia, that's a toilet cleaner. They use in toilet cleaner, also used in a cigarette. And then carbon monoxide, that's get through the smoking, and this is usually got by the car exhaust gas. And this is arsenic. This is also a poison. So altogether we can say these all are the form of poison that we get every day by smoking. So first of all, I have some, then I can explain in details like how it affects our body. Well, first is the nicotine. Nicotine is a chemical that used in bug spray, and is very addictive to the our body. Nicotine causes increase in blood pressure and heart rate, and nicotine also causes the high glucose level. So the other one is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is feel congested when we got it. It replaces our hemoglobin in the body, and then somehow the theory says like we can replace this cigarette, this regular cigarette, to the this is kind of smoking. The people used to do that, and we can replace it with the electronic cigarette. So even it's electronic cigarette, they use the nicotine. In the regular cigarette, we use the nicotine in the form of a solid form, and over here in the electronic cigarette we use in the liquid form here. So the both cigarettes use the same chemical, and the people get addicted to it, and it's very worse for our body. So impact of the smoking to the humans. First is cause of smoking is the lung cancer, and that's one of the major disease getting people every day, and we are suffering from it. And at the end, I want to submit this is an informative speech, and my general purpose was to inform, and my specific purpose was to inform the audience about the hazards of smoking towards humans. So at the end, I can say quit smoking, because prevention is better than cure, and be smart, don't start. Thank you so much.